these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to bring you all another inspiring glam DIY idea. I hope you all are doing wonderful today, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Okay, so guys, we are going to use our disco ball tumblers from Dollar Tree. Okay, we're going to do 3 DIYs, and I hope you all love what you see. Let's get into it. Okay, for the first DIY, we're going to make some candle holders, and we are going to use these party trays or party bowls or whatever from Dollar Tree. Y'all, they are old, but we're going to use those and we're going to make that work. Okay, so we're going to use the disco balls to be like the neck of the candle holder, and we are going to use the party bowls for the top and the bottom. Okay guys, so look how they turned out. They were so simple, so easy, budget friendly, and they look good. So guys, let's get into our second DIY. Okay guys, so we're going to use these arched mirrors I got from Dollar Tree, this candle holder I got from Hobby Lobby, and we're using this round mirror I got from, let's see, Amazon forever ago, and we're going to use some crystal diamond wrap, our disco tumbler, and we're going to use these stickies or whatever, that these Velcro stickies to hang it up, and we're going to use a candle that I got from Dollar Tree. So I just detached the mirror from the frame and then I spray painted it. So now I'm just going to put it back together, and then I'm going to take the other frame and glue them together. Okay, so I decided to use some popsicle sticks on the back to give it a more firmer hold. Okay, guys, so I love the way it turned out. It was simple, easy, budget friendly once again, and it'll make a great addition to your home, like a hallway or like the living room or something like that. Okay, guys, so this is our third and final DIY. We are using two of these mirrors that are so hard to find at Dollar Tree. I only found a limited amount. I had to think of something that used about 2 to 4 of these mirrors. So this is what I came up with, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm going to use these wooden pieces that I got from Dollar Tree to adhere to the back so it would be easier for me to hang the pictures up because I don't want to use nails and screws or anything like that. Okay, guys, so this is how the scones turned out. I think it turned out beautifully. Actually, this is my favorite one out of the three. So I hope you all got some kind of inspiration from what I did here. And if you did, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs. Be blessed. I am.